the chairperson for this August occasion, Dr. Edmond Munkala. He is also the UNESCO rep for Ghana. The representative of the Honorable Minister for Education, Haruna Iddrisu, Honorable Clement Apa, who is also the Deputy Minister for Education, the Chancellor of the University of Education, WINNEBA, Gati VII, who is also the Omahene of the Futu traditional area. Our distinguished speakers, Professor P.L.O. Lumumba. Your wife is also recognized. And also Dr. Samuel Francis. Professor Lumumba has a very young, beautiful wife. Not young in age, but young in looking. The wife is also a lawyer. So, in their home, I can't imagine how things will be like. Everything will be law. My management team members, Omahene of Ejumako traditional area, Nananum present, distinguished guests of honor, deans and heads of departments. We also have here Professor Akusa, distinguished scholars and policymakers, representatives of sister universities and colleges of education, members of the organizing team for this lecture series, members of the university community. I'm referring to all senior members here, senior staff here, junior staff here, then my beloved students, the media, and ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you all. It is a big privilege to welcome you to this year's annual public lecture series of the University of Education, WINNEBA. This esteemed institution has long upheld its core mission of preparing skilled professional teachers for all educational levels, advancing research, sharing knowledge, and influencing educational policy and development. Our vision goes beyond the boundaries of the classroom. Through initiatives like the public lecture series, UW seeks to create a platform for meaningful dialogue, where policymakers and educators can unite to address societal challenges and drive solutions that foster economic and social goods. Such efforts are crucial in promoting educational progress and shaping the future of our nation. Education in the 21st century is transformative. It goes beyond the transfer of knowledge. It empowers individuals, fosters critical thinking, and prepares minds to navigate an increasingly complex and interconnected world. These are essential aspects of learning and serve as the pillars on which this institution builds its academic excellence and community involvement legacy. This year's lecture, themed Empowering Minds, Shaping Futures for 21st Century Education, highlights critical issues that demand our attention as we envision the future of education. Ghana's Sustainable Development Agenda relies on the ability of education to adapt to modern needs, and this lecture serves as an opportunity to explore innovative approaches to higher education. As a leading teacher education institution in Ghana, the University of Education, WINNEBA, takes pride in championing intellectual engagement and collaboration. The public lecture series is designed to convene esteemed scholars, policymakers, and community members from a variety of backgrounds to share their insights, engage in meaningful dialogue, and inspire actionable initiatives. Together, we can embrace diverse perspectives to drive progress in education, foster responsible citizenship, and build thriving communities that contribute to Ghana's socioeconomic growth. I invite you all to join this journey of exploration and empowerment. Let us work together to overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and shape the future of education in Ghana. Let's ambitiously and also reaffirm our transformative power of education as a cornerstone of sustainable development and social progress. Thank you all for being part of this important conversation. The University of Education, WINNEBA, look forward to continuing this tradition of intellectual engagement and collaboration for years. Together, we can shape a brighter future for Ghana and beyond. Welcome once again to this year's annual lecture series. Thank you very much.